Greetings and welcome back to the Galley of the Sun. Today, another in our 2024 series of holiday treats. You should check out our 2023 series too. There's some good stuff there. And I have just got notified that we've been renewed next holiday season for our 2025 series. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So let's get it going. First of all, I'm going to take 2 cups of peanut butter of the crunchy variety and put it in a bowl. Now we're using Jif because we care about the people that we're making this for.
That's harsh.
Sorry, Skippy. Just not a fan.
Brutal.
To that, we're going to add 1 entire stick of butter at room temperature. This room. And it is quite pleasant in here. To that, we're going to add a 1/4 cup of whiskey for the Drunken portion. Now, of course, I would want to use a peanut butter whiskey. But alas, somehow I am out. So I am going with a honey whiskey today from Distiller's Mark. This is good stuff. Okay, we're going to stir all that to combine. This is also another in our series of Mike cooking with powdered sugar while wearing black.
Could be risky, very risky.
This week I'm 1 for 2 on those episodes. Okay, I'm happy with how that's looking. Now we're going to add about a teaspoon of vanilla extract. I get the good stuff from Mexico.
See?
Oh, it smells amazing. I know I say that a lot, but trust me, I would not do you wrong. Really appreciate all of you. Hey, if you like what you're seeing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and become a sunscriber. Yeah, hit that like button. Leave us a comment. What is your favorite holiday treat? All right. Got that all mixed up. Now I'm going to start adding powdered sugar. I've got 3 cups sitting here. I'm going to add it about a 1/2 cup at a time, stir it up. I need to get this to the consistency where I feel like I can make bowls with it and they'll keep their integrity. That's structural integrity. I have no idea how truthful this peanut butter is. Stir this in slow, especially if you're wearing black, to not make a mess. And just with the first 1/2 cup there, you can really tell it's tightening up quickly. Now, as always, loyal viewers, down below in the description section are all the ingredients, their amounts, and the directions. It calls for 3 cups of powdered sugar and says have more on hand just in case. You know, maybe you put more whiskey in there. Maybe your peanut butter is not of the same quality of Jif. You may need more. Or 3 cups may do you fine. And looking at it so far, I think we're going to be fine with the 3 cups. Okay, we're getting to the point where I'm compelled to do this with my hands. You'll have to use your own hands if that's how you feel. Mine are taken. I now feel like I could have and should have rolled up my sleeves.
Oh no! We suck again!
Rest of my powdered sugar goes in. Get that all incorporated. Yeah, 3 cups is going to be enough for me. All right, now for the crunchy constituent, besides the peanuts and the crunchy peanut butter, 2 cups of Rice Krispies. We're going to have no issues making bowls with these.
Sounds dirty, but it's not.
Now you'll see down in the directions after we make the balls, we're going to put them on a baking sheet with some parchment paper, and tells you to put them in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or in the freezer for 20 to help them set up and have integrity for when we go to do the chocolate dipping. I'll tell you what, it really doesn't feel like mine is going to need that. However, that will be a good time for me to get cleaned up and ready for the next step, so I'll probably put them in the freezer anyway. But I don't think it's really necessary. All right, I feel we have that homogeneous now. Next step is to make 1-inch bowls and use up all your peanut butter mix. So you're looking for about the size of a golf ball. Right there. So I'm going to repeat that until I run out of this. I'm going to chuck these in the freezer, get cleaned up and ready for the next step. We'll see you then. All right, it's been about 20 minutes in the freezer. I am very pleased with the firmness of my bowls.
What did he say?
Oh, do grow up. So now I'm going to get myself some chocolate coating, follow the instructions on the box, and then we'll be ready to dip our bowls. We'll see you in just a minute. All right, the dipping sauce is prepared. Now you have a couple options here. You can either use your fingers and make a big freaking mess, or you can use a toothpick or a chopstick. I'm going to try the chopstick first. So we'll penetrate our bowls. And then get them turned around in the chocolate and then onto a piece of parchment paper. Looks like I need to use the toothpick and chopstick method. There, happy with that. Move that closer, minimize mess. Onto the parchment paper. So once I complete this, they're going to go into the freezer for about 20 minutes, and then we'll be ready for some judgment. We'll see you then. Alrighty, 20 minutes in the freezer, the chocolate's set up. Now it's time to get Charlotte in here to judge my bowls.
What?
Oh, grow up. It is Christmas time.
Those are good. Those are like a crunchy Buckeye.
Mm-hmm.
But I don't taste the peanut butter whiskey.
There isn't. There's honey whiskey in it because
No honey whiskey.
I couldn't find any.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't taste the whiskey part of it.
Okay, I'll tell you, from how that went together, you can put more whiskey in there than I said. If you put a little bit more and it doesn't set up right, just add more powdered sugar.
Yeah. No, that's good. Tastes like Buckeyes. Like crunchy Buckeyes.
They are
Good.
delicious. All right, hey, give this a try for the holidays. Thank you so much for joining us. And until we see you next time, fair winds and following seas.